Okay, so we're going to look at the international dateline and international time today. The first thing we're going to look at is where Greenwich Mean Time, it also can be classified as the prime meridian. This line is just here. As you can see, it says 12 o'clock. So it's when it's at 12 o'clock, 12 midday at Greenwich Mean Time, every other place in the world is organised after that. Greenwich is a place in London. It does have a physical line through it, but obviously that line kind of alters a little bit. So countries don't have massive differences between their time. Now what we're going to look at is I'm going to go through each question in your time booklet, and I'm just going to do one of the first example. So when it says time zones, it is on page 29. Question 1A says, if it's 10:30 in London, what time is it in these cities? So the first one is Brasilia. So Brasilia is in Brazil, which is at -3. That's over here. So that means if this was 10:30 a.m. in the morning, we have to take away 3 from 10:30. So 9:30, 8:30, 7:30. So it is 7:30 in the morning in Brazil. Okay, the next question we're going to look at is question 2. I'm going to explain how they got the answer to the first question. So it's asking, what time is it in Abu Dhabi if the time in Perth is 7:10 a.m.? They've filled in the blank and they've said 3:10. Let's see how they got that answer. So at the moment, Perth is +8, and that's just here. Abu Dhabi is in +4. Now you can look at your international map or another map to get these answers if you don't know where they are. That's what Google's for. So that means there's a time difference of 4 hours, and we're working backwards. So we're going to be going from 7:10, 6:10, 5:10, 4:10, 3:10. That's 4 hours before Perth. Okay, there is a quiz ready for you, so you can have a look at that on C Hub, but the rest of it is there. All right, good luck everyone.